Good morning, class 8th. Welcome to your general knowledge class for the day. Today we will do lesson number 28, Geological Wonders. Let us first see what is the meaning of the term geological wonders. Geological is the term relating to the study of Earth's physical structure and substance, and wonders means remarkable features. In this lesson, we will study about 6 geological wonders, and they are number 1, Pamukkale, number 2, Cano crystals, number 3, Great Blue Hole, number 4, Chocolate Hills, number 5, Riche structure, and number 6, the wave. Meteor crashes, volcano eruptions, strong winds, water currents, and many other natural erosions continuously changing shape of Earth. It also causes the formation of many geographical wonders. Erosion and deposition of sediment by streams, glaciers, wind, groundwater, and waves are surface process that create many familiar landforms. Erosion produces geological features such as valleys, canyons, river channels, bays, caves, and cliffs. Let us understand these unique geological wonders one by one. Before proceeding with the lesson, let us see the terms that we are going to learn in today's lesson. Number 1, astonishing. Extremely surprising. Number 2, sand dunes, small hills of sand. Number 3, accessible, approachable, hot springs, a spring of naturally hot water. The Great Blue Hole. The Great Blue Hole is a giant marine sinkhole off the coast of Belize. A submerged tunnel which lies within the Blue Hole site is an extreme dive that has resulted in many accidents and fatalities. Can you swim in this blue hole? You don't need to be a recreational diver to travel to the Great Blue Hole to take in all that it has to offer. The experience can be just as magical and unique. It is a hole in the sea and is home to coral reefs, fish, turtle, and stingrays. It is the world's largest sinkhole, measuring an incredible 300 meters across and 125 meters deep sinkhole. Let us do the reading from the book. It is the most astonishing submarine sinkhole, hole in the ground caused by collapse of the surface layer found on the earth. It is located off the coast of Belize in Central America. The name of the wonder is? I hope you know the answer now. Yes, it is the Great Blue Hole. Number 2, the Chocolate Hills. The Chocolate Hills are a geological formation in the Bohol province of the Philippines. The Chocolate Hills is a famous tourist attraction of Bohol. There are at least 1,260 hills, but there may be as many as 1,776 hills. Spread over an area of more than 50 square kilometers, they are covered in green grass that turns brown during the dry season. Hence, it has given the name of Chocolate Hills. Curious, why it's called the Chocolate Hills when it is not really made of chocolate? This is the only reason. It is because these hills, which are usually covered in green grass, dry up and turn chocolatey brown in color during the dry season. Let's read this amazing wonder in the book, children. This amazing place comprises around 1,268 cone-shaped hills, which is spread over an area of more than 50 square kilometers in Bohol, Philippines. The name of this wonder is Now We Know, and that is the Chocolate Hills. Number 3, the wave. The wave is a limestone rock structure that belongs to the Jurassic age of rock and is 118 feet in length and 62 feet in breadth and just about 7 feet in height. The wave was formed at least over 190 million years back and is somewhere around 5,225 feet above the sea level. The formation is well known among hikers and photographers for its colorful undulating forms and the difficult hike required to reach it. The troughs were first formed by water erosion as runoff carved deeper and deeper into stone from the Jurassic age. Let's get back to the reading. It is a red rock stunner on the border of Arizona and Utah in USA. It is made of 190 million year old sand dunes that have turned into rock. Sand dune means small hills of sand. It is only accessible by foot. Accessible means approachable. The name of this wonder is the Wave. The next geological wonder is Richet structure. In the midst of the vast vacant Sahara Desert, just outside of Mauritania, lies a 30-mile wide geological oddity known as the Richet structure, sometimes called the Eye of Africa. It has captured the attention of astronauts for about as long as NASA has sent humans into orbit around Earth. Most of Mauritania lies within the Sahara Desert, where dry climate conditions and periodic droughts create difficult living conditions. Approximately 3.7 million people live in Mauritania, through which much of the population lives along its Atlantic coastline about 500 kilometers from Richet structure. The Richet structure formed when a volcanic dome hardened and gradually eroded, exposing the onion-like layers of rock. The paler circle near the center of the eye is volcanic rock created during that explosion. Let us read the part of this unique geological wonder from the book. With a diameter of almost 40 kilometers, the spectacular landform in Mauritania Sahara Desert is known as the Eye of the Sahara. The name of this wonder is the Richet structure. Next in the list is Cano Cristales. Cano Cristales is a Colombian river. The river is commonly called the River of Five Colors or the Liquid Rainbow. Cano Cristales River has a variety of aquatic plants. The water of the river is extremely clear due to the lack of nutrients and small particles. The river also features waterfalls, pools, making it even more dramatic. Furthermore, there are no fish or other creatures, so visitors can enjoy uninterrupted bathing in Cano Cristales. The river becomes colorful from July through November. Cano Cristales is the most beautiful river in the world. It is situated in Colombia. This river is also called the River of Five Colors and the Liquid Rainbow. The presence of algae that produces colors like red, yellow, green, and blue gives it a unique appearance. The name of this wonder is Cano Cristales. And the last geological wonder given in your chapter is Pamukkale. Pamukkale means cotton castle. It is a natural site in southwestern Turkey. The area is famous for a carbonate mineral left by the flowing of thermal spring water. People have visited the area for thousands of years due to the attraction of the thermal pools. It is very rich in minerals and is said to cure a handful of diseases and illnesses. This is called cotton castles or white castle because of the whiteness caused by the deposition of calcium carbonate in high amount. This beautiful place in Turkey has 17 hot springs heated by an underground volcano. The healing properties of this area attract many people across the world. The name of this wonder is Pamukkale. And in the end of the lesson, I would like to hear some cross questions from you. I hope you know the answers of it now. Number 1, what do you mean by geological wonders? Number 2, name some geological wonders. Number 3, which geological wonder is also known as the Eye of the Sahara? Why is Cano Cristales known as the River of Five Colors? How many hot springs are there in Pamukkale? Where are the chocolate hills situated? That's it, children. This is the end of the lesson. Solve the exercise and follow the school link on YouTube. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.